Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra that I just received in the mail. This is the 512 gig version because it doesn't have the SD card anymore, so I have to get somewhere close to the capacity that I had before, which is 256 plus 512 on the SD card. So this is what the box looks like. It's made in Vietnam, just brand new. And with the combo, I was able to get a Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. This is the updated version of the Tab S7. This one just came out. This is the 256 gig version because that's just how the combo works out to be. It's the best deal that if you buy it in addition as an add-on to the S22 Ultra. Deal works out to be with my Note 20 Ultra right here, trade-in. I get the phone for $300 and something, and there's a couple of stackable coupons that made this guy about 10 bucks, 9 something. And with the promotion that they had, it comes with a little keyboard case here, the Samsung official keyboard case. It's pretty cool. All right, so we'll take a look at that later. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and move this guy out of the way. Now we have the Note 20 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. So let's take a look at this guy here. Okay, just gonna take a quick knife to this here. So one of the cool things that the S22 Ultra comes with is, well, actually more like what it didn't come with. It does not come with a SIM card, even though it can receive a SIM card. It has a built-in embedded SIM, so you just have to look at the IMEI and activate it with your carrier. In this case, it's a T-Mobile version. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up here. Move this guy out. All right. So here's what the phone looks like with the little cover. Wouldn't call it the screen protector. This is the burgundy color. As you can see, it's pretty nice with the little cover here. All right. Okay, so we're going to look at the phone. This is the burgundy 256 gig version of the S22 Ultra. As you can see, the new camera designs here on the back. I'm going to go ahead and take my existing I don't know, Mystic Brown Note 20 Ultra, take it out of the case so you can see the difference. So you can see it's this is how it looks with the case. I love this kind of case. This is the Caseology Parallax series. Really love this, this texture in the back here. But go ahead and take it out of the case here so we can compare to the S22 Ultra. As you can see here, the Mystic Brown on the Note 20 Ultra is a lot more lighter. It's a lot lighter than the maroon, the burgundy color, right? And they both look, pretty nice in their own way. I do like this island design more than the new camera design, but it looks thinner, right? So I guess it's an improvement. Obviously, the cameras themselves are better, but this is 2 generations, right? So let's take a look at this guy. See the ports in the back. They're pretty much almost the same in dimension right here, except you have the SIM card at the bottom. versus the SIM card being on the top for the Note 20 Ultra. The buttons on the side, pretty much the same place. Buttons on this side, nothing. Same kind of design pretty much. So you can pretty much call this guy the Note 22 Ultra instead of the S22 Ultra. But, you know, difference in the pen is this guy is now black inside, but with the body matching color on the outside. That's because the body is now rubberized versus the previous Note 20 Ultra. Okay, here's what the Note 20 Ultra pen looks like. Right. I like the body color pen, but you know, they changed things up, so whatever. So having this guy turning on right now, the S22 Ultra. Let's see what else is in the case. So we don't have the charger anymore, which is a bummer. I don't like that trend, but you know, it is what it is. It comes with a charging cable, as you can see. Quick start guide, 2 different languages, and that's about it. You got a little SIM card ejection tool here, and obviously this is the new S22 Ultra. The new SIM slot, it's smaller because it only holds a SIM card and it does not hold a combination SIM card and SD card in there. It's a bummer. USB-C port, speaker on the bottom, same kind of stuff. All right. So that's that. Let's go ahead and start unboxing the Galaxy Tab S 8 Plus here. I'll move this guy aside. Let me pause the camera real quick. Actually, I want to show off the case that I bought with this phone here, with my new S22 Ultra. Flip it on the back here real quick so you can see. This is the Caseology Parallax series for the S22 Ultra. This is very similar to the existing case that I have for my Note 20 Ultra. This is the case for the Note 20 Ultra with the little, you know, texture in the back. So we're going to go ahead and lift this tab here, pull this out. This is the case with a little nice welcome note. Right, pretty cool, from Caseology. Always good quality. It is made in South Korea. Good quality stuff. So here it is. Here's the Caseology case. As you can notice, you can see some holes here for ventilation, whereas the S22, the Note 10, the Note 20 Ultra case does not have it. The pattern's the same, but in the back, you can see this is smooth up here, and this is a little rugged here. Okay. Of course, the camera cutout here. Pretty much the same texture, a little bit darker color here, more matte. And at the bottom, which is an improvement for me, is that this texture here, whereas it's fairly smooth here. You know, I like the old design, but the new one is pretty good too. Okay. All right, so those are the 2 cases. Let's go ahead and pop this guy in to the case so you can see how it looks within a black case. Okay, here we go. Pretty good fit. Here's what the camera looks like. The maroon camera looks like with the black case. It's obviously not as nice as the the Note 20 Ultra I would say, because I like the Note 20 Ultra's look, the island look, a little bit better than this kind of disjointed look. But it's minor. Nobody's really gonna look at the cameras that much. But the increased quality of the new cameras are much more valuable to me than the look. But kind of miss it. All right. Well, that's it for the phone.